No? Can you count your fingers?
No.
Why not? Okay, TT's gonna count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yay!
Count all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
She only has 9 fingers.
What's that?
I think it is Hunter. What's he doing? I think he wants to hear you sing ABCs. A, B. Hunter, what's he doing?
Hunter. Where are you going?
Where's he going?
Hunter, what doing? What doing? What doing, Hunter? You can tell us. Oh, that's it. No. Lock it when you go out.
Okay, can you go back to singing? Twinkle, twinkle. Twinkle, twinkle, twinkle. Can you sing? Okay, Auntie will sing. Little
Mom, stop it.
star.
It's scary.
Scary.
Yes.
You're scared? Can you say bumblebee?
Bumblebee.
Say bumblebee again. Say bumblebee. I like it when you say it.
No.
Why not?
The bumblebee home.
Oh, the bumblebee's at home?
Yeah.
Oh.
Scary.
Is it scary? Are spiders scary?
No.
Are they yuck?
Ew.
Ew. Are spiders ew?
Ew. Spiders.
Yucky.
Yucky. One. The spiders. I'm talking about spiders. 1 spider, 2 spiders, 2 spiders, 2 spiders.
2 spiders? Yuck. I'm scared of spiders. Scary.
Scary.
Are they scary?
No.
No.
yuck. No.
They're gross?
No.
Ew?
No.
Icky? Okay, can you sing Twinkle Twinkle?
No.
Why not? Can you sing Clean Up, Clean Up? Clean up.
Whoa.
Ouch.
Oh, kiss me.
Oh, can you say sorry?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Look. Makeup.
Makeup. Yep. Are you going to put it on?
No.
Whose makeup is that?
It's just the home with the kitty.
It's TT's. Whose makeup is that? Is that TT's? Did you open it? Close it up.
No.
Can you say bye-bye?
Say bye-bye, camera.
Want to see yourself? Say bye-bye. Are you scared? Are you scared? A spider. Thanks for throwing my hangers off my bed. That's nice.
Aw.